Print PDF table selected in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your browser and letting it load fully. Then move to the search bar at the top of the window. Type Notion into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard so the results can load. When the page finishes loading, click the first option that appears to open the Notion website. Once the site opens, log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. After you are logged in, go to the private section on the left side. Then press the plus button on the right to create a new page. When your new page opens, go to the main page area and type /table into the input field. A menu will appear, and you should select Table View to create a table. After that, choose New Empty Data Source so you can make a fresh database. When the empty table appears, select Add Property and add any properties you want based on your needs. For example, you can add a select property. If you want more, you can add another property, such as a status property, by repeating the same step. Once all the properties are ready, fill up your database with your data by typing into the rows and columns. When your table is complete, go to the three dots located on the top right corner of the page. Click the three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Export. A small export menu will show up, and inside it you need to set the export format to Markdown and CSV so the table exports correctly. Then set the database view to Current View so only the table you created exports. After that, set the page content option to exclude files and images. When all the settings are correct, press Export and wait for the file to download. Once the file finishes downloading, open the file to see the contents. Inside the downloaded folder, you will see 3 files appear. Select the one you want to print and open it. After the file opens, go to the Print section by clicking the File button at the top left corner of your viewer. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. When the print window opens, adjust the settings based on your preference. Then press Print to print the file you chose.